for today. So we're pretty much going nowhere at the moment. We do have the Feds currently meeting, so market's going to be pretty much a limbo until we come out of the meeting. Been a lot of noise around the stimulus package, so the market is expecting more stimulus, but there's been quite a bit of noise around what that stimulus is actually going to be, and my advice to you is don't listen to the noise. Wait for the meeting to complete and then see what happens on the market. So for me today, on pretty much most of the markets, it's sit on hands and wait to see what transpires. You can see we had a nice rally on Monday, and then yesterday it was down, and we're currently down at the moment as well. So there are a couple of levels here, and I'm just going to get down to lower time frames before we start confirming them. So we have price is at a level at the moment. You can see there is my level. Okay, we have another one to the upside there, which you can see is quite important as well. We did close below it yesterday. Okay, so double check what time that was. No, that was midnight. So we haven't actually closed below it in a normal trading session. So after hours, we've gone below it. So it's going to be interesting to see what transpires here. So this is typical. The Asian session fall off. Europe session comes on and probably push us back into this 26,400 area. Okay, so yeah, there's nothing really we can add to this. I think you're going to have to keep your wits about you and be patient, because the Feds are going to come up with something, and they're going to keep this market alive. So whatever they come up with is going to drive the market higher. You have to wait, be patient. Okay. At the moment, a lot of people can argue that this is the double top, we're rolling, etc., etc. My view is quite simple. Okay, it is pretty much that's right there. Pretty much consolidation pattern. Even if this double top does play out and we come down to one of these other levels here, which is probably further down here, 25,850, that's just going to add value and encourage buyers to come in. And there's one other thing that you need to pay attention to, and that is this trend line. And that is going to coincide pretty much with 26,160. Okay, so I'm sitting patiently waiting for this to play out. And you can pretty much guarantee that there's no selling happening at the moment. There's a little bit of profit taking, maybe a couple of micro traders or high frequency traders that are making money at the moment, up and down, looking for different levels at much lower time frames, sort of like 1 minute and a couple of second time frames. And that's what's pretty much driving us at the moment. I think most of the market is in limbo and waiting for the Feds to see what they're going to do. So, and my advice is do exactly the same. Wait for the Feds and then have a look to see what's going to transpire. Okay, so not much I can do to help you this morning, but not taking a trade is also a trade. It's always good to keep your money in your pocket and not lose anything trying to second guess us. And for me at the moment, you're going to be second guessing if you try and jump in on this, because any short you take, you'll find it's going to hit support. There's lots of support to the left, and then you'll see buyers come in. You'll panic, get out, it'll come back. You'll take a long, it'll go up, it'll come down. We're going sideways. So it's not something that I enjoy trading. Definitely don't want to be trapped inside any of this sideways motion. Okay. So anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Sitting on hands until the Feds are finished with their meeting, and then we'll have a look at it again. Anyway, hope it helps you somewhat, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.